Hi, friends. Since childhood, we have read about and seen so many fictional characters, such as Superman, Batman, Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, Tom and Jerry, Shaktiman, and many more. In our childhood innocence, we assume that these characters were real. But there are several other figures in history that were assumed to be real, but in reality never really existed, or at least there wasn't enough evidence to prove their existence. So today, let's together find out about historical figures who might have not existed. Betty Crocker. Who doesn't love cake? It is one of the most popular guilty pleasure foods of several people. In today's super busy life, instant cake mix is the next best option when the bakery near your house is shut. America's most popular cake mix, Betty Crocker, is a household name. At first glance, everyone thinks that Betty is an ideal American housewife who's very well versed in culinary arts. But in reality, she is just a fictional character and is the brainchild of an advertising agency. It was a persona created as a marketing strategy, and it gained so much momentum that Betty Crocker was declared the second most popular woman in America by Fortune magazine in 1945. Anarkali. Mughal Azam was a cult classic Hindi movie that created a revolution in Bollywood and cemented an undying fandom for the characters, especially the graceful and beautiful Anarkali. But in reality, Anarkali never actually existed. It was a fictional character created by the author Abdul Halim Sharar. Regardless of this, several yet believe that Anarkali was a real woman who fell in love with Akbar's son Jahangir. In fact, Anarkali is so popular that she has an entire mausoleum dedicated to her in Lahore that is visited by thousands of her fans. Helen of Troy. When you hear the name Helen of Troy, an elegant and out of this world gorgeous woman would come to your mind. And that's what it is, out of this world or imaginary. Because there weren't any historical proofs to give evidence about Helen's existence. In Greek mythology, she is said to be the daughter of Zeus and the most beautiful woman on earth. Over the years, she has been actively mentioned in works of art, music, literature, poems, novels, and films. She's basically the human personification of those women who were abducted as war treasure by the enemy. Jack Dawson. The ship Titanic sank on its maiden voyage, and the most famous ship ever known to man is also Titanic. But the thing that was even more famous than the ship was the movie made on it. Titanic was and is a masterpiece, winning 11 Oscars. It launched actors like Kate Winslet and Leonardo DiCaprio into superstardom. Who can forget the dreamy character of Jack Dawson? Even though James Cameron, the director, admitted that the characters of the lead pair, Rose and Jack, were completely fictional, there was actually a man named J. Dawson on board on the ship when it set sail in 1912. No one really knows what the initial J stands for. Neither does the gravestone of J. Dawson showcase his full name. The biggest shocker is that director James Cameron had no idea of such a man being present on the ship when Cameron wrote the screenplay of the movie. He only came to know about this years later. Pythagoras. Maths is a subject that majority people are weak at, including myself. The formulas, theorems, etc. made school days even tougher. One of the scariest chapters, according to me, was Pythagoras' theorem. The theorem is named after the Greek philosopher Pythagoras. It is believed that Pythagoras was a son of the Greek god Apollo. But hold on for a second. Majority accounts of Pythagoras were from his followers. Experts believe that many of these accounts and writings were deeply mythologized. So even if Pythagoras existed, we don't have 100% idea of how he really was. So friends, I hope you liked this video and you found it to be informative and interesting. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.